Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on the crypto market's current state as of October 31st, 2025. Our TradeVest research team has prepared a deep dive into why the market feels stuck after the recent October 10th to 11 crash, the elusive alt season, predictions for overall recovery, and a spotlight on the SEI token's potential for parabolic growth. This analysis is based on extensive research from reliable sources like Bloomberg, Reuters, CoinMarketCap, and real-time sentiments from X. Remember, this is for educational purposes. Crypto is volatile, so always do your own research and consult professionals before investing. Let's break it down step by step. Recapping the October 2025 crash. What happened and why it lingers. The crypto market experienced its most severe flash crash on October 10th to 11, 2025, erasing an estimated $19 billion in leveraged positions within hours, the largest single-day wipeout in history, dwarfing previous events like the FTX collapse. Triggered by President Trump's surprise 100% tariffs on Chinese imports, Bitcoin plummeted to $104,782, Ethereum to $3,436, and altcoins like Doge and AVAX saw drops of 50 to 70%. This wasn't just panic, it was amplified by over-leveraged traders and a stampede for the exits as described by Bloomberg. Recovery has been sluggish due to several interconnected factors. First, macroeconomic pressures. Fed Chair Jerome Powell's October 30 comments hinted that the recent 25 basis point rate cut might be the last of 2025, shifting sentiment from dovish to hawkish and causing a 1.8% market cap drop that day. This led to $1 billion in additional liquidations and pushed the total market cap to around $3.78 to $3.89 trillion by October 31st. Second, ongoing U.S.-China trade tensions with Trump's softened rhetoric offering little relief have kept investors risk-averse. Third, high Bitcoin dominance, 59 to 60%, has starved altcoins of capital, while the proliferation of over 9,500 active tokens dilutes focus. On-chain data shows resilience, though. DeFi TVL has rebounded, with protocols like Finance surging 2,695% in 90 days and institutional Bitcoin holdings hitting 1 million plus. ETF inflows resumed at 202 million daily by late October, signaling a shift. X sentiments echo this mix. Posts like Crypto 2025, where good news equals pain, highlight frustration, but whales accumulating suggests optimism. Why alt season hasn't started? A deeper dive. Alt season, when altcoins surge relative to Bitcoin, remains elusive. Bitcoin's dominance at nearly 60% means capital isn't flowing to alts yet, with over 36 million total cryptocurrencies, though only 9,500 active, creating dilution. Historical cycles post-Bitcoin halving, last in April 2024, suggest alt peaks 13 to 18 months later, pointing to October 2025 or later. Some argue it started in niches like privacy coins, Zcash plus 28%, but broader momentum lacks due to retail sidelining and institutional BTC ETH focus. X debates are heated. Alt season 2025 happening or not, with mixed views. Some see it in Q4 2025, others claim it's dead due to too many tokens. AI models like ChatGPT estimate a 75-plus altcoin season index could trigger rotation, currently at 27. Counter-arguments include global liquidity rebounds and DeFi growth, potentially igniting alts. Predicting market recovery, timelines and catalysts. Looking ahead, recovery seems likely in late 2025, building to a mid-2026 bull run. Analysts predict Bitcoin at 120 to 250,000 by early 2026, driven by ETF trillions and regulatory shifts like spot ETH ETFs. Global liquidity at $176 trillion, up $5 trillion, lags crypto, but could peak Q4 2025, per experts like Michael Howell. Risks include further crashes from leverage or geopolitics, but positives like end of QT and institutional buys, e.g. BlackRock's holdings, outweigh them. X forecasts vary. Bull run begins 2025. Horrendous crash ahead. Balanced view, optimism from ETF approvals but hedge for volatility. Spotlight on SEI token, path to parabolic growth. SEI, the native token of SEI network, a layer 1 optimized for DEXs, trades at 18.10.20, with TVL hitting $300 million despite the crash. Predictions, 36 to 2 by mid-2025, 5 plus in 2026 if alt season aligns. Parabolic potential stems from high-speed trading features and ecosystem growth, but 55.56 million token unlocks could cap short-term gains. XBuzz, SEI will go parabolic at its own time. Conclusion: strategic takeaways for investors. The market's slow pace is temporary. Position for recovery by focusing on strong fundamentals like SEI. Alt season could be the catalyst, but hedge risks. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Stay informed, trade smart.